Hey everybody, it's Alex from Chart Junkies. Just wanted to pop in and give my thoughts on Bitcoin in the market. Didn't really script this video out. We're just gonna go over my overall views of where the market's heading, analyze some wave structure. I'm an Elliott wave trader. I use Elliott wave. If you don't know what that is, it's how the market moves in series of impulses and corrections, and it analyzes price structure and wave structure. If you don't have a good grasp on Elliott wave, it's almost like you're trading blind, in my opinion. So stick around, watch these videos as they come out, and you'll learn it as time goes on. Just watching these little update videos. So let's get right into it here. Overall, Bitcoin, crypto, all markets, stock market. I think we have some upside here coming into play. You can see that's my ultimate target right here, but that's just a pipe dream. We'll see if it happens. I just want to keep it on the chart in case it does. So analyzing this from an Elliott wave point of view, real quick, long-term time frame here. We're looking at a correction from the top. Done. We're looking at some type of corrective wave here happening, or here. That is still to be determined, but we can still have some nice trades without knowing the exact wave count. The general direction here from this corrective structure is most likely to start hitting these upper targets here. So ultimately, this is for sure some type of a expanding flat, WXY, ABC, however you want to call it. That's pretty much without a doubt at this point. Whether it ended here or this is just the start of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coming up here like that, I don't think it's going to impulse that hard. For me, this corrective wave that we just experienced over the past, I don't even know how many weeks, months, in my opinion, it was just too long of a correction for it to be a part of a large impulse wave to the upside. So, looking at it like that, you can say you got a couple options here. Looking at this bullishly, you have a finished correction right there, which looks fine, and it matches up, with the Fibonacci's right in corrective zones, beautifully. And then you have a WXY correction in here, correcting pretty beautifully in a corrective pocket that you would intend to see right to the 618. And from there, we had, get rid of some of this, an impulse. It's without a doubt. And then you have some type of nasty correction, right? And then you can expect one more impulse to the upside here. One last little pump to get everyone super bullish, like we're going to start impulsing to the upside. But ultimately, what it is a correction here, linked with another correction here to a WXY. And, targets wise, you're going to be looking just to correct this massive impulse from the upside. So ultimately, that's a great spot where my marker landed at the 0.5 fib. But you can see my heart's right at the 618. Golden pocket. It goes without saying. And it matches up with the trend line break right here, kind of a retest of that possibly. And on top of that, you can draw a trend line here and say, okay, maybe we're going to start to channel our way. Because guys, ultimately, I guess I should have prefaced by saying you're looking at, once we correct wherever we're going to correct in here, I'm expecting new lows to be made. That's where we're at here. I'm this pump isn't going to last forever. We're not going to the upside forever. We are going to crash down and visit these lower targets, like low targets. But you know, there's trades to be had and there's upside to be had here, and there's a nice short play to be had up here. So I mean, shoot, if you're a trader, who cares? I just wouldn't hold spot up here. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Anyways, if we look at kind of where we're at right now, I don't think this correction, you know, this bullish kind of movement is finished, because we haven't even got, I mean, we're at the 236 fib right here of this big leg down. So I mean, we at least got to come up and reach the 382. It'd be unheard of to just stop at the 236. That's not going to fly. Now we might not just be impulsing right here right now. That very well couldn't happen. Might not happen. You know, this could be some sort of flat, and then we might come down and correct again and then go. You know, that's for a small time frame analysis type situation that we got to look at and see where the waves are landing, how the waves looking like. But yeah, I'm super bullish on this. Obviously, I think everyone's getting bullish now that this trend line broke. But I just wanted to stop in and you know, kind of caution you guys, you know, enjoy this wave up if we get it, but you know, don't think it's going to last forever, because it's not. It's going to at least correct. But yeah, I'm going to be on a strict upload schedule with these videos. I want to make them as short as I can. Let me give you some small time frame trades here that I'm looking at, and then I'm going to end the video, and I'm going to be posting hopefully a couple times a week, so you know, be on the lookout for new videos as waves progress, and we'll see where we're at, where the market as a whole. So kind of looking at this current corrective structure that we were in, we just broke out of. We had a WXY, we had either an ABC or some type of flat, and then we had another correction down like that. Now, could this be finished? Yeah, it definitely could. Could this not be finished? Yeah, it definitely could. So you have the potential for a corrective wave up, some type of corrective wave down, and then a flat for more downside here. And then we might tap this trend line and then go. So that's an option here as well. What you want to look out for is let's see. Like I mean, to me, this looks like a finished flat in here already. But who am I to judge? You're looking at this zone right here, around 28K. If we break this high, if we break this, I'm just gonna throw that out there. You know, I mean that's confirmation for me that we're gonna go up and visit these higher targets around 38K, 40K, 42K, hopefully higher, guys. I want this thing to get as high as it can go, so the crash doesn't bring us down to damn near zero. But yeah, I mean, be on the lookout for a break of this structure. I know there's going to be a lot of people entering right here at this break, and it could just, you know, pump to the upside like crazy. But I'm looking for a break right here of that. And then, you know, I wouldn't ape into the market either, because you can expect something like this. You know, it can definitely do that. That's what I'm looking at. And then we come down. Right? Alright. Trade safe, guys. I'm ending the video here. That's it. Be on the lookout for some more uploads. Give me your thoughts in the comments on where you think we're headed. I want to start some conversations down there. I'll respond to everybody. I promise. Yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.